Friends, welcome to this dedicated learning space for Vedic Maths. This channel is creative and is academic oriented. In this channel, we explore the magic tricks to solve various types of mathematical problems. In this video, we are learning the magic of multiplying all one numbers of equal length. Let's go ahead. Friends, you know the process of two-digit multiplication of numbers. But in this video, we are multiplying the same digit numbers like 1 into 1 and 3 ones into 3 ones and 4 ones into 4 ones and so on. This process also involves simple vertical and crosswise multiplication and addition. But in this tutorial, I will introduce an easy method. First, let me explain the process of taking simple example of multiplying taking all digits as ones. First, let us take the example of multiplying two-digit numbers like 1 into 1. You know there are three steps in it. Step 1 gives 1, step 2 gives 2, and step 3 also gives 1. So, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 to 1. Next, we will take an example of three-digit numbers like 111 into 111. You know it has 5 steps. Step 1 gives 1, step 2 gives 2, and step 3 gives 3, and step 4 gives 2, and step 5 gives 1. You can look at the step diagrams and easily understand this. So, 3 ones into 3 ones is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Friends, remember these results because we are going to use these results to multiply same digit numbers of equal length like 333 into 333 and 4 5s into 4 5s and so on. Friends, now let us multiply 4 ones into 4 ones. That is 1111 into 1111. Look at this step diagrams. It has 7 steps. If you observe each step diagrams and find the values, step 1 gives 1, step 2 gives 2, step 3 gives 3, step 4 gives 4, step 5 gives 3, step 6 gives 2, and step 7 gives 1. Therefore, 1111 into 1111 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Friends, finally, we will multiply 5 ones into 5 ones. That is 11111 into 11111. Friends, look at the step diagrams. It has 9 steps. If you observe each step diagram and find the values, you will get step 1 gives 1, step 2 gives 2, step 3 gives 3, step 4 gives 4, step 5 gives 5, step 6 gives 4, and step 7 gives 3, step 8 gives 2, and finally step 9 gives 1. Therefore, 11111 into 11111 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the answer. Now, If I ask you, what is the answer of multiplication of 6 ones into 6 ones? Definitely you will tell 6 ones into 6 ones is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Friends, based on these results obtained in this video, we shall learn the multiplication of large numbers like 4, 4, 4, 4 into 4, 4, 4, 4 and 6, 6, 6 into 6, 6, 6 and so on in the next tutorial. Friends, subscribe for this channel. We shall meet in the next tutorial. I will show you the magic of multiplication of the same numbers of equal length other than the ones. Thank you for watching this video.